on, Zakei. Yeah, grab you. Hey guys, my name is Tab, aka Mrshortaii, and I hope you're all starting your day with a big smile. And of course we have Zakei with us here today. What's up? Okay, so guys, I've just been on a video shoot with Zakei today on what he's wearing here. Everything is from Matalan. Come here you, come here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and let everyone know. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And please watch this fashion and trend for summer 20, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you later guys, bye.
Give you a guide to this.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog with me and Zakei. I hope you enjoyed the clothes that he was wearing. They are from Matalan. The prices are very reasonable. They're not too expensive. And they bought from Matalan. So I hope you guys enjoy them. And I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog with me and Zakei. Yeah. And Zakei enjoyed playing in the park like he normally does. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog with me and Zakei, and like I said, please give it a subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to notify your friends and tell them about my videos and share it, because I'm trying to get to all 100 subscribers right now. Today is Tuesday the 3rd of June, and it's also Zakei's birthday! Zakei's birthday today! Yes, so Zakei is 3 years old today, guys. So guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. I'll see you later. Bye.